story of Bill Thurston, the fantastic mathematician who received the Fields Medal and was the author of the geometrization conjecture, which is what actually Perelman proved when he proved the Poincaré conjecture. The geometrization conjecture implies the Poincaré conjecture. He had that incredible talent that looks like a mutant from outer space. The geometry he did in 3D is clearly from someone who can look at 3D from the outside. He could see in 4D and in 5D. This guy had ideas that looks like they're coming from the brain of an alien. The twist in the story is he was not born that way. And we know what happened to him. He was born with a very strong squint, and he could not see 3D the way normal people see 3D because his eyes were looking at different regions of space and there was no overlap. So he had no perception of 3D. But a massive handicap. His mother was a very loving and very courageous woman who decided she would do anything to help his son overcome his handicap. When he was 2, he spent hours and hours and hours with special books that she had bought to train him systematically to try to rebuild his 3D vision. When he entered primary school, he made the decision that he would practice visualization every single day to become better. How did he manage to see in 3D? He managed by training his brain and using neuroplasticity in a way that allowed him to imagine 2 different 2-dimensional shapes and reconstruct the 3D shape coming from that. Now, if you do it that way, well, there's no reason to stop. You take 2 3-dimensional pictures and assemble them in 4D, and take 2 4-dimensional pictures and assemble them in 5D.